Alright, hello and welcome to this Hebrew course. My name is Andre and I'll be your teacher. In this course, you can be with absolutely zero knowledge of the Hebrew language, and in just under 2 hours, we're gonna learn the entire Hebrew alphabet. You're gonna see how easy it is, even if you have never tried to read a Hebrew word before. We're gonna go through the entire thing so that by the end of it, you'll be able to read Hebrew fluently. So let's go over it. What are we gonna have in this course? Firstly, we're gonna learn to recognize the Hebrew letters. Secondly, we're gonna learn how to pronounce the letters correctly. Thirdly, we're gonna learn the vowel system, or the nikud. And lastly, we'll practice different variations and combinations so you know how to read correctly in every situation. Can't wait to start this journey with you, and I have no doubt that you too will be able to read fluently by the end of this course. Alright, see you there!